Welcome to the Moral Science class, students. Class 8. Today I will start Moral Science of class chapter 1 from the Virtue book. So today I will do the reading part. Next day I will analyze all the question answers and the word meanings. So we'll start with this story, that is chapter 1, and page number is 5. Page number is 5. So this is the story of taken from our epic Ramayana, and philosophical fundamental knowledge of reality. The word meaning I have written somewhat is there. First begin the lesson with the good quotation. The devotion is for itself, not to be desire heaven, not to fear hell. Rabia Basri. This is a very valuable quotation, students. The devotion for the devotee. It's for is for itself, not to desire heaven. There should be no any desire. Desire means you want. There's no desire of heaven or hell, as if devotion is an eternal thing. We are praying to God. There is no any basic give and take thing. So let's begin with the story. You must have read in the Ramayana how Rama left Ayodhya and set out for the forests along with Lakshman and Sita on an exile of 14 years. Exile means Banavas. They walked up to bank of river Saryu. They took a holy bath in it and waited for a boatman to take them across the river so that they could proceed farther. After some time, a boatman called Kevat, name Kevat, turned up. On being requested by Rama to ferry them across the river on his boat, Kevat said, "Yes, I shall take you across the river, but I refuse to accept the usual fare." He is a boatman, Kevat. He used to cross the river. The passengers he has taken after crossing the river, he has taken some money from passenger, but now he refused to take that. How can a boatman agree to charge another boatman? Rama's quizzical frown means facial expression was made with Kevat's philosophical words. This line, a boatman and a boatman, this is a very quizzical, a philosophical word. Rama is avatar. Kevat came to know that he is an avatar, and that's why he used that sarcastically, that he is a boatman and Rama is above all eternal boatman. He can cross the Jivan Nadi, means our life, our main philosophy, our main life, he can cross. He is avatar. He is next to reformer of God. So this is the philosophical. One boatman is boatman who is crossing the road, and the other boatman, which is Kevat, signed as Rama, is a boatman. That is a philosophical term. I do ferry passengers to the other bank of the river, but you being the arbiter of human destinies. Arbiter means who is passing the who helps to pass across the uh, human destinies, ferry them across the world of trails and tears to the other bank of bliss and myth. I know the story of Gautam Seth's wife, Ahalla, who had turned into rock as a result of a curse by her husband. It was you, my lord, who brought her back to life after touching the rock with your holy foot. Why shouldn't I expect deliverance from you? So, the action of being rescued for set free. Deliverance means the action of being rescued or set free. He comes to know that Rama is not an ordinary man, he is a avatar. Then see what Rama says. My lord, allow me first to offer my worship at your feet, Kevat says. Thereafter, change my fortune by granting me, instead of money, your ring. Your ring means what Rama was wearing. It will be treasured and worshipped by me daily as an object of reverence and symbol of divine, valuable. Reverence means valuable and symbol of divine blessings. I shall thus be able to cross the ocean of sansara, that is mortal world, and be one with my creator. He knew that Rama was not an ordinary man. So with grace he surrendered, he offered his prayer, his devotion to Rama. Rama bowed before Kevat's request. Kevat rowed them to the other bank of Saryu and was beside himself with joy. He became immortal by earning his name in the scriptures as an example of supreme devotion to God. And this bowed means down the head with respect. So, the moral of the story, true devotion does not get desperate nor elated or satisfied with monetary gains. Students, this is a very valuable piece and very moral of the story. You learn this moral and learn. Now come to the word meaning part of page number 6. Read the story 5 to 6 times and do this word meanings. This is your class work. You mark it and do this word meanings. Exile, fairy, bliss, mirth, reverence, immortal. All the word meanings are there. Now turn the page. Page number 7. Fill in the blanks. B. Fill in the blanks. B. Page number 7. Fill in the blanks. B. Do this at home. This is your classwork and homework. Next day, when we meet, we will discuss the question answer and this part. So, I think you all love the story and only listen one thing, that is, devotion is the ultimate. You will not expect, you will not desire for hell or for heaven. True devotion does not get desperate nor elated or satisfied with monetary gains. This is an eternal beauty, and when we are offering something to God, we are not expecting. Yes, we are expecting what? God will love us. And the true devotee, he or she doesn't even expect that God will love him or her. He or she is offering herself. That is a true devotion. Only cross the mortal life from mortal life to immortal life. So this is enough for today. Stay blessed. Next day we'll meet soon.